Every day, we talk to managers about their needs, their greatest fears. Sadly, 65% of them tell us that they are afraid of being perceived as biased. 70% report unwillingness to speak up in meetings, and 80% feel ill-equipped to initiate discussions about current world events for fear of saying something offensive. We understand what you're going through, and we can help. We've created an ongoing community of practice for managers, influencers, and leaders. As part of this community, you will have access to contemporary conversations, pitfalls to avoid, and techniques for addressing some of your most daunting workplace challenges. I'm Dieta Jones, founder of the Dieta Jones & Associates Community of Practice. The Community of Practice is a gathering place for next-generation leaders to learn and share strategies for effectively leading organizations and teams in continuously changing environments, and where calls for justice, human rights, social and climate justice are among the only foreseeable constants. Community members log in and are taken to a dashboard where they can have access to 3 core topical areas, each supported with brand new content each month: management, leadership, and individual development. Each topical area offers video lectures, short articles, how-to guides, writable templates, and even case studies. This content is meant to dive deep and also to engage with the most current and relevant issues facing people who lead, manage, or influence others now and in the future. In addition, there are multiple live sessions every month, always on a different topic and always facilitated by experts who can help you process new concepts and apply them to your real-world needs. When a head of HR puts our program in place for the leaders in their organization, immediately we see shared language that aligns thinking and understanding, use of common management resources and tools, familiarity with key current events and their impacts. And then as the program goes on, we see consistent and values-driven managerial practices. We see significantly increased comfort and skill associated with addressing cross-cultural and even often polarizing issues. We see employees and even customers giving feedback about the positive impact on the organization's culture and performance. If you think our community of practice can be valuable to you, sign up today and get access to a sample of videos that can give you a clear idea of the kind of content that you can expect in your program.